Hey guys, it's here. Guess who it is? It's the replacement for Donnie the Drone, the guy who sacrificed himself for your video entertainment. Oh, tsh, zzz, tsh, oh, tsh. Look at that. So, Mavic Pro. Let's get in this bad boy. Scissors. I feel like it's Christmas and my birthday. So as you know, Donnie the Drone sacrificed himself because of my lack of flying skills. Lesson learned, don't fly backwards when it's out of line of sight. And through the power of the internet, I managed to get myself another one. So, this is all the charging stuff, obviously. It's all nicely packed. Remote control, so those little ears go up, you slide your mobile phone or some kind of device in there. So your phone goes in there, or a tablet of some description, and you use that as your screen. This tells you all the information of the drone. Like I say, this will be the image that you can see, so that the wherever you're filming, that you're going to take a photo or a video of. All goes packed down really small. Again, charger. I'm guessing propellers, because he hasn't got the top ones on when you buy them. Oh, sorry, not when you buy them, when it's delivered. Ah, there they are. Okay, so now you've gone out of focus. That's better. Back in focus. Back in the game. So, top wings fall out, bottom ones fall out, and then inside there we have the camera. So, obviously the propellers are all limp because it's not flying, but we're going to get this bad boy charged up and then we'll go out and do some filming.